You are welcome to the channel. This channel is new. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share the videos on the channel. Today is the Euromillions lottery, which is for the 16th of September the year 2022. So I'm coming to make a prediction for you. So a prediction for the Euromillions lottery system is what we are taking into account. So the last results of the Euromillions lottery system, these are the set of numbers that dropped, okay, for the Euromillions lottery system. So based on these results, we want to find out the likely numbers for today, which will help you. So if you want to search me on Telegram, you search for millions jackpot winners. This is my Telegram group name. Set this name on Telegram. Millions jackpot winners on Telegram. And you can join the group. Alright? And also subscribe to the channel so that you get benefit from the channel. So today, based on the last three results, that is three numbers from the last three results. So these are the last five numbers that dropped, okay? So we will take three numbers where the previous results have dropped three of these numbers. Then after that, we will pick the below event and see the possible likely numbers for today's prediction. So let's go to draw number, which is 103. So draw number 103, and this is the Euromillions lottery. Okay, so this is the Euromillions lottery. So draw number 103, we have 9, 15, 21, 40, and 49. So the current results picked 9, 15, 40. All right. So we have it here, 9, 15, 40. So based on that, we need to pick the next results. The next result dropped 9, 21, 30, 39, and 50. So we need to pick the five numbers. So let's keep record on these five numbers. So we have 9, 21, 30, 49, and 50. So we will pick these five numbers. Let's go to another one, which is draw number 212. So draw number 212. Let's check out. So draw number 212. Let me open it for you. Let me see. So this is draw number 212. We have it here. So we drop 12, 37, 40, 47, and 49. So the current results picked 12, 40, 47. This three numbers, 12, 40, 47. So the current results, we have 12, 40, 47. All right. So it means that we need to pick the below numbers, which is draw number 213, which is the next one. So single 2, 7, 14, 17, and 35. We need to pick these five numbers. So let's add it to the record. So we have single 2, single 7. We also have 14, 17, and the number 35. The next one, let's go to draw number 340. Draw number 340. So draw number which is 340. Let's see the numbers that dropped over there. So draw number 340. This is draw number 340. So we have single 4, single 9, 15, 21, 47. So 9, 15, 47. The current results pick these three numbers. So this is the current results 9, 15, 47. All right. So it implies that draw number 341, which is the next one. So the number we are single 5, 27, 31, 40, and 42. We need to pick these five numbers. All right. So let's pick the five numbers and add it to the record. So we have 5, we have 27, 31, 40, and 42. All right, it's still left with 3, or let me see, yeah, 4. It's left with 4. Let's go to draw number 881. Draw number 841. Draw number 841. So draw number 841. Let's check out the numbers. All right. So this is draw number 841. Draw number 841, we have 12, 15, 26, 29, and 47. So the current results pick 12, 15, and 47. The three numbers. Okay. So this is draw number. Okay. So we have 12, 15, 47. 12, 15, 47. So the next one is draw number 842. So we need to keep the record 7, 28, 29, 43, and 48. Let's add it to our record. So we have single 7. We also have 28. We have 29, 43, and 48. Now, let's go to draw number 1292. Draw number 1292. All right. Sorry, 1292. Okay. Let me see. 1292. All right. Let's go there. We have it here. Draw number 1292. This is the record. So we have 9, 15, 17, 25, 40. So 9, 15, 40. The current result pick these three numbers. So this is the record. 9, 15, 40. So the below numbers, which is 24, 26, 32, 43, 46. We need to pick these five numbers and add it to our record. So let's add it. We have 24, 26, 32, 43, and 46. All right, so it's left with 2 more. Let's go to draw number 1360. So this is draw number 1360. We have single 6, we have 12, 15, 40, and the number which is 45. So the current result pick 12, 15, 40. All right. So this is the current result. 12, 15, 40. So the next drawn is drawn number 1361. We are picking 4, 21, 36, 41, and 47. All right. So let's pick those numbers. Don't worry. As we move on, I'll be giving you specific keys on this channel. I started some of them, the pick three strategies. All right. But I'll be giving you the likely numbers on the drawn day. And at the same time, I'll be giving you the specific hot pick numbers, pick three numbers. I'll be giving you all the strategies, all right? So don't worry, there are more to come on this channel. Just be on the channel. And also, the last one, let's go to draw number, which is 1476. So this is draw number 1476. We have single 2, single 9, 1547, and 50. So the current results, it picked 9, 1547. So this is the results, okay? 9, 1547, that dropped. All right. So it means that we need to pick the next event, 9, 19, 21, 32, and 36. Let's pick those 5 numbers and add it to the record. So we have 9, 19, 21, 32, and 36. These were the set of numbers that dropped. All right? These were the particular set of numbers that dropped from the prediction that we have made for the various events or draw numbers. So after getting this, we need to get the entire set of numbers within this list. So we need to keep record of the repeated numbers and the numbers that did not repeat. At the end, we will add them and get our entire likely numbers for today Euromillion lottery system prediction. So we have 9 here, 9 has appeared here. So 9 here, we also have 9. So let's write 9. So 9, okay? The next one, 21. We have 21 here. Let's take it out. We also have 21 here. Okay, it appears twice, so let's write 20. Let me see, 21 is also here. So appear 3 times, all right? 21 is likely to be the hot number for today. The next one is 30. There is no 30. The next one is 49. No 49, 50, no 40, no 50, no 49. All right? In the list, repeating. Single 2, we have 2 here. We don't have 2. 7, yeah, we have 7 here. Okay, so let's keep record of 7. All right, where is this 7? So you write 7 and add it to the record. The next one we have the number 14 is only 1, 17 only 1, 35 only 1, single 5 only 1, 27 only 1, 31 only 1, 40 is only 1, 41, 42 is only 1. Let me see. Okay, 28 only 1, 29 1, 43. Yeah, we have 43, 43. So let's add it to our record. We have 43. The next number is 48, only 1, 24 is 1, 26 is 1, 32, 1, 2. So let's keep record of 32. So we have 32. The next number is 46. No 46. The next we have single for 36 is here. So let's keep record of 36. So you have 36. All right. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So these are the repeated numbers, the most hot. Okay. So these are the hots. Okay. Hot ones. Hot ones. These are the hot ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 21, 7, 43, 32, and 36. So this is the most hot numbers. Now let's consider the numbers within the list that did not repeat it. We have 30, 49, 50. So let's write it. We have 30, we have 49, and we have 50. Okay. We also have 2, 14, 17, 35. 2, 14, 17, 35. All right. Then we have 5, 27, 31. We have 5, 27. Let me see. 27, 31. Okay, it's 31. 31. Then the next one we have 40, 42. Let's add it. 40, 42. The next one we have 29, 28, 48. 29, 28, 48. The next one, we have 24, 26, 46. 24, 26, 46. The next one, we have single 4, 41, 47. 4, 41, 47. And the next one, we have 19 there. 19. So let's count the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this is 22 numbers. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 numbers. So 6 plus 22 making 28. So in all, the total likely numbers are 28. So 9, 21, 7, 43, 32, 36. Including 30, 49, 52, 14, 17, 35, 5, 27, 31, 40, 42, 29, 28, 48, 24, 26, 46, 4, 41, 47, and 90. They are the likely numbers for the Euromillion lottery system today, which is the date 16th of September, the year 2022. So this is the prediction that we have, and this is the most hot ones among the list. So use these numbers for your hot pick numbers for the Euromillion lottery result for today. I wish you good luck. Have a good day.